Oh, so it's the maths in motorbikes, isn't it?
Yeah.
So what have you found so far?
They go very fast.
Yes, are you?
And they have the engine is a shape.
Ah, okay, yes.
Square.
Yes.
Because if they didn't have an engine, the motorbike couldn't run. They wouldn't go fast. It would just be like a bike.
Okay.
And I know some people who have a bike as a motorbike. And then they ride it as a bike, like a motorbike. Yes. And
So you're saying shapes?
yeah.
Yeah.
Some motorbikes, they can have a circle engine.
Yeah.
But you need to buy the circle engine. You can't just have, when you get the motorbike, you can't have a circle engine because most of the scientists said that there should be.
So you're saying circles don't work as well? Is that what you're saying? They're not as good. Right. Circles wouldn't work as well in an engine?
No, because they wouldn't be. Because the circles would put more petrol into the cars and waste your petrol.
Oh, so you're...
Because squares have a little line, they could leave a little bit of petrol in there. Just in case you need something to go on the servo and you can't start a little bit and then you can just make it to the servo back to get some more petrol.
So, yeah, Annabelle, go on about motorbikes.
And they are very big as well.
They're okay, wait a minute.
And sometimes
Wait a minute. Yep. So what are you saying? Do you agree with that, Hannah? No.
Some other ones like Carly Davidson motorbikes aren't that big.
Are they, so when you say they aren't that big, are they?
The Harley ones are this big.
So, was that bigger than you had before or small? Okay.
They're that big.
Oh, so wait a minute.
Some small motorbikes can be about this big.
Yes.
Some motorbikes are that small for little kids, but some little kids have to be really careful because they are really fast. They're faster than a car. The Harley motorbikes are very, very, very faster than a car, a normal bike, and even if a car goes 100, it's faster than that. Like little.
So when you're talking about, when you said when a car goes 100, what do you mean by a car goes 100?
The car speeds up to 100.
It speeds up to 100? Is that fast?
Yes, that's well, on my grandmother's slow, and now it's fast.
All right. Yes, go on.
Little kids doing buggies.
Yes.
They're about like that big.
Okay. Yes.
And little kids doing buggies. Cash converters. And they can be this big as well.
Yeah.
They can be small and high. But like the ones for babies to learn to ride.
Yes. Wait, how tall?
That big.
Oh, they're little. Okay. Thank you.